Welcome to Nepal. We're in Manang at an ancient monastery with an ancient prayer wheel for our Kundalini BooJung Kriya. Also known as the most powerful Kriya in the science of Kundalini Yoga. This specific Kriya is known to power up our central nerve, our nervous system, and it's also a Kriya where if you internally are known to cry wolf when you need help, if something's going wrong and you're always reaching out to people, this is one to get rid of that. This is one to really reflect internally and go deeper within in order to reset the mind, body, connectiveness, and really tune into your higher consciousness. So in the specific BooJung Kriya, our left hand is going to be cupping right at the navel, palms facing up. Our right hand is in Gyan Mudra, our index finger touching our thumb, our other three fingers pointed straight and palm facing forward, elbow at the rib cage, hand at the shoulder, spine straight, chin slightly tucked down and in. And our breath is going to be through the mouth with our tongue locked. So our tongue is slightly out, locked with the top teeth. And we're going to be inhaling at the sides of the tongue and exhaling at the sides of the tongue, like so. Deeply inhaling, expanding the navel, holding. Exhaling out, navel comes to the spine. Your eyes are closed the entire time, gazing at the third eye between the brows. And you're holding the tongue in place, not too tight, but just enough so the tongue is flat and out. This is not Satali breath where our tongue is rolled. Our tongue is flat the entire time. Sucking the air in the sides and exhaling out the sides. So let's tune in to this Kundalini Kriya with the Yadi mantra. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I bow to the divine wisdom within. Connecting to our higher consciousness and the golden chain of teachers. Bringing our hands in prayer pose, rub them together, thumbs to center of our chest, spine straight, sit bones rooted in the earth. Closing your eyes, you can chant this with me 3 times or just sit in silence. Deeply inhale through the nose, exhale out. Deep inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Deep inhale. Exhale out. Bring our left hand cupped at the navel, just below. Right hand in Gyan Mudra. Index finger touches the thumb, other 3 fingers straight. Elbow in the rib cage. Tongue slightly out. Locked in place with your top teeth and bottom. Close your eyes, gazing at the third eye. Begin to deeply inhale, sides of the tongue, exhale out. We start off with the prayer bell. On the inhale, expanding the navel, keeping the tongue locked in place. Exhale, navel comes in the spine, spine straight, sit bones rooted in the earth. Bring all that air into the sides of the tongue, filling up the belly, exhaling out. Control breath, keep the tongue locked in place, spine straight. When this gets tough and the breathing feels inner turmoil, that's when transformation happens. Powering up the central nerve, clearing out blockages. Body might feel unstable, unbalanced, going through various changes of this breath work. Keep going strong. Just stay focused on inhalation, holding deep and exhaling out. Inner transformation happens when you push through, push past those blockages. Last 30 seconds. Stay with me. Go deeper, push past. And staying in this position, tongue locked, deeply inhale, sipping some more air, sipping some more, hold your body tight. I'm going to count down from 10 and you're going to forcefully exhale out your mouth. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tongue into place, sipping some more air. We do that 3 more times. Sipping some more, a little bit more. Count down from 10, then we can and breath out again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale everything out. Lock the tongue in place. Inhale. Sipping some more. A little bit more. Hold. Squeeze your body super tight. Squeeze. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cannon breath out. One more time. Inhale. Lock the tongue. Sipping some more. A little bit more. Squeeze your body tight as possible. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cannon breath out. And relax. Bringing your hands on your knees. Just sitting in silence. Let the prayer wheel take that energy, pranic energy flowing through you, moving the blockages, that powerful BooJung Kriya. Just relax for a few moments. Resetting, rebalancing your internal body. Slow your breathing down. And bringing our hands together, rubbing them, creating the friction, some energy and warmth, bringing the thumbs to the center of their chest, elbows slightly out. We close the practice with one Sat Nam. Truth is my essence, truth is my identity. Deeply inhale to close. Sat Nam. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Sat Nam. Thank you so much for joining me at this beautiful ancient prayer wheel here up the monastery in the Manang area in the Himalayas. We're in the Annapurna conservation protected area. It's so special, so many monasteries, and it's home of the snow leopards in this magical land. And grateful that you were able to join me for that BooJung Kriya, like I said, known as the most powerful Kriya in the science of Kundalini yoga. That's one you can do up to 31 minutes nonstop with that breath in that mudra. It's said not to do it more than 31 minutes though, even if you do love it and feel the internal changes. So a powerful Kriya. I recommend if you do resonate with that, you can do that for 40 days straight to make a more impactful, powerful internal transformation, connecting mind, body, and raising your consciousness. So thank you for joining me here at Outdoor Body with that amazing meditation. We have lots of practices all over stunning Nepal and national parks and iconic locations, from Kundalini meditation, our Kriyas, yoga, our strength training, our Elevate classes. So the key is getting better each and every day, mentally and physically, and we do that by connecting with nature and raising our entire well-being. So thank you, and namaste from Nepal.